afternoon, grade 8s. Welcome back to our Algebraic class of today. It's the second Algebraic class. Goeiemiddag graad 8, welkom terug by ons Algebraïse breuke klas. Dis ons tweede Algebraïse breuke klas wat ons doen. Kom ons let mooi op en luister baie mooi wat juffrou sê. As ons gaan kyk na hierdie Algebraïse breuke, dan lyk hulle anders as gister se. It looks different than yesterday's class. Why? Kan julle sien dat hier tussen hierdie boonste terme van my teller is daar nou plusse en minusse. It's different algebraic fractions because there's at the top there is a plus and a minus within our numerator. And that's problematic. Hoekom? You're not allowed to cancel like we did yesterday if there's a plus or a minus between terms. Jy mag nie uitkanselleer as daar plusse en minusse tussen terme in my teller is. As jy dit doen, is dit 'n bloedige storie. It's not allowed at all. It's like dit is soos 'n violence 30 as jy iemand se arm afruk en hom met die bloedkant deur sy gesig slaan. That's not allowed. It's a bloody story. It's like ripping someone's arm off and hitting him with the bloody side through his face. Do not do that. We are lovers in mathematics, not fighters. Okay, but we are also clever, so we've got to make a plan. Ons gaan 'n plan maak. Baie maklik. Al wat jy nou gaan doen is breek hierdie algebraïse breuk op in twee dele. Break it up in two parts. And put the denominator underneath each part. Breek die algebraïse breuk op in twee dele. En nou kan jy hier uitkanselleer en jy kan daar uitkanselleer. You may cancel there and there, because only there and there, otherwise you are again breaking the law. So kom ons gaan kanselleer uit. Nou is dit maklik. 5 gaan eenmaal in 5 in. There's 2 x's at the bottom and it cancels with 2 x's at the top, so there's only 1 x left. Kom ons gaan kanselleer by ons tweede deel. Jy mag nie so oor kanselleer nie, it's illegal. It's against the rules. So, 1/5 goes twice into 10. 2 x'e kanselleer uit met 2 x. So wat het ons nou oor? Let's rewrite it neatly. We've got 1x plus 2. 1x plus 2. Ons mag nie hierdie bymekaar tel nie, want hierdie is 'n appel en daai is 'n mens. You can't add them up. It's unlike terms. Dis ongelyksoortige terme, so dit is my finale antwoord. Kom ons gaan en ons gaan doen dieselfde hier. Remember, you can't cancel that guy with that guy. Kan nie sê 4 gaan 2 maal in 8 in, want sien jy jou probleem raak. You may not do that. So ek gaan dit eers oorskryf en die 4 gaan ek onder elke term neerskryf. Rewrite the 4 underneath both the terms within the numerator. Now, it's legal to cancel, but only in this one term and in that one term separately. 4 gaan in 8 in 2 maal en 4 gaan in 16 in 4 maal. So let's rewrite. We've got 2p minus 4q. Verskillende soorte, that's your final answer. This one we're going to rewrite as well. Ons mag nie uitkanselleer nie, want hier's 'n minus tussen dit. So let's group. We're going to break up this fraction. Okay, there's one term in my numerator, So I'm gonna write it underneath that guy. Then I've got a minus. So let's quickly do this calculation. 4 maal 3 is 12. A maal A is A kwadraat en B. We can multiply that out because it's multiplication. Then again, rewrite the whole numerator underneath that term. Skryf die noemer onder elke een. Wat gebeur nou hier? We've got a minus next to a minus. En 'n minus langs 'n minus beteken maal. So 'n minus maal 'n minus word 'n plus. Okay. So we've got a plus now. Minus next to a minus. So the 6 and the 6 can cancel. There's no minus that can cancel with that minus. Daar's 1A, so die minus bly. En hy kanselleer met 1A, so there's 2 A's left at the top. B's, there's 1 B, cancels with 1 B at the top. So there's 3 B's, and that minus that's left all alone at the bottom, I can take to the top. And then it's all on 1. Ek kan maar die minus boontoe skuif, want hy is al ouetjie wat oor is, en 'n minus gedeel deur 'n plus en 'n plus gedeel deur 'n minus is in elk geval 'n minus, so it's legal to do that. Jy mag dit doen. Goed. Now we've multiplied those two. So 6 gaan in 12 in, 2 maal. 1A cancels with 1A over there, and the 2 B's cancels in full. So what's left over there? 2A on 1. Jy kan die ene onder die lyn kan jy uitlaat, en jy kan dit gaan oorskryf. Ek kan nie hierdie twee terme mekaar tel nie, want hulle is ongelyksoortig, they are not of the same type, so I'm done. Baie lekker algebraïse breuke. Graad 8 gaan oefen hulle, en dan gaan ons môre weer aan. Sien julle môre.